What is happening? Hope you're well. Trust you are good. Thank you for joining. Much appreciated. Hey, guys. Hope you're well. Trust you are good. Are you on fire this morning? Let me just get myself on fire this morning. You have to be on fire a lot, especially when you seize opportunity. So the book that thank you, Rosalind, for joining. Much appreciated. Hope you're well. So the book that I'm busy reading now is Napoleon Hill. Right? I just finished Robin Sharma's book, The Wealth Money Can't Buy. So let me know, which books are you busy reading, right? Which books are you simply busy reading? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. So Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich, which talks about the belief system. You have to believe in the possibilities of what you are doing. You must believe. That is so super imperative. So I am live on TikTok and I have YouTube over here. Thank you for joining, guys. So in today's video, I would love to emphasize more on AI. What are your viewpoints of AI when it comes to building and growing your online business? AI, right? So there are many AI apps. You get AI for images, AI for video, AI for prompts. Thank you for joining. Much appreciated, Lloyd. Trust you are well. Hope you're good, my man. So what are your viewpoints of AI? Right? How can you use AI in your business? How can you actually use AI? So the tool I'm using is I am using two AI apps, right? The obvious one would be AI Chat GPT, right? So that gives me ideas on content, on hooks. If I have to type in, you have to be crystal clear on what you actually want the AI Chat GPT app to do for you. You need to explain to AI what is your outcome. For example, if you want AI to give you 100 or 200 video hooks for TikTok Reels, for YouTube Shorts, for Instagram Reels, AI ChatGPT will give you 100 hooks for your video so that you are keeping people captivated and intrigued, wanting to watch more of your videos. AI is a super awesome tool that I am using personally in my business. So I highly recommend or suggest that you look into AI. Why? AI will start dominating the industry. AI will start, people of, AI can do work for you in about 5 minutes, 2 minutes, depending on the task and the prompt you are telling AI what to do. AI is a smart tool that you can use. So I personally ask AI multiple questions. Give me video hooks, give me video content ideas, and AI gives me a list. You need to be very specific as to what you want AI to be doing for you. AI, guys, is basically your personal assistant. If you are a business owner and entrepreneur and you have a personal assistant, think of how much money you will be paying your personal assistant. That's crazy, right? And AI Chat GPT can be your personal assistant, right? So AI Chat GPT, that is the first app that I'm using. Why are you shouting? I am shouting because I am on fire. You have to be on fire. If you are not on fire, then I don't know what's wrong. You have to be on fire. You got it? So number two, the second app that I'm using, Gamma, right? Gamma can organize a presentation for you in 2 hours, in 2 minutes time. Gamma is a super awesome app that you can use. I was watching a YouTube video of an online marketer, right? She makes use of Gamma, and I actually went into the subscription box below on YouTube and took me to this app Gamma, and I set up a presentation in about, Gamma set up a presentation for me in about 2 minutes time. Gamma does it in front of you. So AI is super awesome. This can be your very own personal assistant, right? That can help you, that can assist you, that can give you video content ideas, hooks for your videos, your reels, your short form videos, your medium long form videos. You can get content ideas from AI Chat GPT. you need to, as I mentioned, be very specific as what do you want AI to do. You need to explain to AI ChatGPT, this is what I want. I want 100 video hooks for TikTok to keep my audience engaged in wanting to watch more of my video content, or keeping them engaged and attracted to wanting to watch longer my videos, or to come back wanting to watch more of my videos. You got that? So you need to explain to AI ChatGPT clearly what you want ChatGPT to do. You got that? That is a, think about it. If you have to hire someone. Hi guys, I hope you are well. Trust you are good. Thank you for joining. How's it? Hope you are well. If you want to hire, think about it. If you're hiring a personal assistant to do certain tasks, how much money will you pay that personal assistant? How much money will you have to pay that personal assistant? Think about it. AI ChatGPT can do multiple tasks and activities for you simultaneously. It's what you feeding AI ChatGPT in the prompts of explaining things, what you actually want to do, your end goal, your results, what exactly you want AI to do, and you must be specific enough. So AI automations you must learn. Learn automations. Learn how things are being automated on complete autopilot. You need to, these are the future businesses from now. AI, and AI is still a baby. Why? We do not know as yet how to use AI in the fullest potential to build massive businesses for yourself online. So the opportunity now today is with AI, ChatGPT, Gamma. There are multiple AI apps. I know some AI apps are not very good. It will actually cost you a subscription fee, but you can look into that, right? So what I want to share now on this video is automations. That is the future businesses. Automation. What is automation? Autopilot, my favorite word. What is that? Right? So things are systematized these days. For example, Uber. That's automated. The system, the process, how Uber functions and operates, that is automated. McDonald's is an automated chain supply of foods, started by two brothers. Ray Kroc bought McDonald's and started expanding McDonald's to a global scale, and it was known for the best fast foods in the world. McDonald's. You got it. So McDonald's is an automated supply system, a food chain. You got it. There are multiple systems that you get, and automation funnels and systems and processes on how people are building businesses. For example, me personally, I have automations at the back end of my business. At the front end, what I'm doing is I'm documenting content. I'm sharing with you valuable tips and insights and strategies and mindset principles on what you can be doing on these social media platforms. This is your advantage today, right? Your smartphone. People are seriously spending huge amount of hours on the smartphone consuming content. You can utilize your smartphone to learn automation. Turn your smartphone into the University of Business School, the University of Harvard, the University of Stellenbosch, the University of the Western Cape, New York, China. Turn your smartphone into a university of ongoing learning, of automations, systems, funnels, AI. You can do that. For example, do not be naive. When I studied winemaking, right, I graduated in winemaking. I thought, you know what, I am fairly intelligent. No, and that is where I stopped learning. You should never stop learning in this day and age. You constantly need to educate yourself. The book that I'm busy reading now, I read it a couple of times before, Think and Grow Rich. I just finished Robin Sharma's book, The Wealth Money Con by Robin Sharma, right? So you need to continually develop yourself in learning. Why? The world has gone digital. We are living in a digital world. The business world has gone digital. If you're going to look across various industries and companies and businesses, those businesses are well aware that digital marketing for their business is imperative. You can have the best products in the world. You can have the best services in the world. Arnold Schwarzenegger says, if people do not know about you, your products do not exist. If people do not know about your services, you do not exist. I heard this saying when I used to do network marketing. I was 26 years old. I started in network marketing. People used to say the market is saturated. I used to sell life insurance. People used to say the market is saturated. No, the question you have to ask yourself when you perceive or think the market is saturated for my products, for my service, the question you should be asking yourself, are you penetrating the marketplace? Do people in China, in New York, in Durban, in Australia, in Japan, in South Korea, in California, in Mexico, in Canada, in Argentina, do people know about you there? Do people know about you? For example, Uber. We all know Uber. We all know McDonald's. Everyone knows Nike, Adidas, BMW, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Quicksilver, Billabong. We all know these brands, right? We all know these brands. Why? Through marketing. When you are, it's not about, let me just share with you, it's not about getting up early in the morning, grinding, hustling. When I was in network marketing, I thought, you know what, business is all about grinding and hustling. You need to work 12 hours, 16 hours a day, 18 hours a day. You need to grind and hustle and grind and hustle. No, life balance. When I started in online marketing, I started to figure out, here's life balance. Right? It's not just about you young like me wanting to make money and striving for success and striving to do great, awesome things for people out there, figuring out the online world, the online game. No, there are other aspects that are very, very important as well. I know I'm diving a bit off topic, what I actually want to cover, but my mind's just working a bit, super fast, so I need to slow it down. So when coming online, you need to focus on the very urgent task, right? Focus on the very urgent task so that you can penetrate your marketplace. If you think and perceive, what the marketplace is saturated. No one needs my products, my services, my awesome opportunity. Are you penetrating the marketplace? How do you penetrate the marketplace? Right? So now you can ask yourself, am I making use of Facebook ads? Right? Facebook ads. You obviously need to pay for Facebook ads. Am I documenting a video? This is the fastest way you can make money online, depending on your skill set, your experience that you have. If you can teach people of physical fitness, of health and wellness, what to eat, not to get diabetes, to get cancer, to get high blood pressure, and you are clearly knowledgeable on health and wellness, if you can teach people that, do a video, a 90-second video, hook value, CTA, run a Facebook ad, a 10-mile radius on people staying close to you, know the demographics, you will start generating leads. People will come to you on WhatsApping you on WhatsApp Business. They will reach out to you on Facebook Messenger. People will phone you for your service, for your products. Whatever your skill is, always work with your strengths. What are your strengths? It's pointless you doing a business that you do not truly love. You do not love your business. It's almost like going to a job that you hate. You want to do something online that you truly love doing. You do not want to run a business whereby you are waking up in the morning and you're not on fire like me and you're like, man, complaining why business isn't working. I'm not generating leads. Leads aren't converting into paying customers. And you're crying and moaning, complaining. No, it's like people that I work with at work. They're always crying and whining, complaining and gossiping about managers and supervisors and managers and gossiping about the company. Stay away from those people and mindset. They're just going to dilute your mindset. Stay away from negative people at work. Please, guys. So now, what I'm coming back to, you have to do something you love. Ask yourself, what do I love doing? Can you teach people physical fitness? Can you teach people soccer, kids soccer, cricket, rugby? I will not teach people health and wellness. Those foods you need to eat to avoid you from getting cancer, high blood pressure, diabetes. I do not know a lot about that. Yes, I know a lot about physical exercise. For over a century now, I've mastered the art of walking. I walk seriously a lot. I walk and do videos. I walk and do videos. Why? I love walking. So I walk and document videos. It's super easy for me. Find something that you love doing. Do not focus on the money. Do not. The world is confused out there. People are chasing money and they are not happy in what they are doing. People are chasing and running and doing all kinds of crazy things for money. You have to ask yourself, what is my strength? What is my uniqueness, my gifts, my talents, my skill set, my knowledge, my expertise? Use that into the marketplace. As a byproduct of that, the marketplace will start to reward you with an income. You can start to get paid. The marketplace can reward you. It's pointless doing something you do not love doing. What is the use of that? You have to use your hidden potential or skills or mindset, uniqueness, capabilities to go out, and you have to discover and seek and search for your purpose. That is the bottom line. You have to do that to penetrate the marketplace, to do things for other people if you want to. It's not compulsory. It's not necessary if you do not want to, but if you feel the need, there's something you can offer your niche market. You need to be very specific on your niche market, knowing and understanding the demographics and psychographics of your market. You got it? So this is the opportunity for us on these social media platforms. You knowing the demographic. What is the demographic of your target market? Target audience is highly imperative. Now you have to ask yourself, the demographic, where are they hanging out on? Which social media platform? What are their age, their gender? Which country are they from? That is the demographics of your potential market. Now it comes to the psychographics, right? What are their pain points? What are they struggling with? What would they love to achieve and accomplish? So that you can speak to them. You are documenting and creating content, speaking directly to your ideal target market, your target avatar that you are trying to attract to come to you, asking you for assistance. Now you look like the professional. When people come to you, you are seen as the professional, the go-to expert in your niche, right? When you reach out to companies and to businesses via calling, cold calling, emailing, texting, you are known as the salesperson, right? That is outreach. That is outreach. That is another methodology you can utilize to penetrate the marketplace. That is a cool strategy. Cold calling companies, people, customers, potential prospects. That's another way. You got it. So you get ads. You can penetrate the marketplace by running ads. You can penetrate the marketplace by outreach. You reaching out to people, phoning people, Facebook message, Instagram message, whatever formula method you are using, right? On LinkedIn. LinkedIn, by the way, let me share something cool about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an underutilized platform, underrated platform. What business owners, entrepreneurs, and what people are doing on LinkedIn, they are just consuming content. People are just consuming content. Think if you can create content, whether it's images, carousels, videos, and you are uploading that on LinkedIn, people will start watching your content, and you are putting yourself in front of certain people on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is underutilized, underrated. You got that? So many business people and entrepreneurs are on LinkedIn. So you can take advantage of LinkedIn. You got that? So that is how you penetrate the marketplace. Facebook ads, you get YouTube ads, Google ads. Did you know? Did you seriously know? You can build a business online just by running Facebook ads. You don't need to do live videos. Yes, live videos are beneficial, live webinars, and the more things you do online, the better. Live video, short form, medium form, long form content, distributing your content on all the social media platforms. That is the right way. Eventually, you have to get from that point. But if you are looking for fast results, watch videos of how to run efficient and effective Facebook ads. People are building businesses, massive businesses. Guys, people are becoming six-figure, seven-figure earners by running Facebook ads. Did you know that? Since 2018, 2019, 2017, 2018, the Facebook algorithm always changes. All social media platforms, the algorithm changes. Facebook ads algorithm changes a lot, but yet people are still making money running Facebook ads. Eight-figure earners. I watch a lot of videos of eight-figure earners and seven-figure earners and nine-figure earners. What they do in their company is you do Facebook ads too? Yes, I used to do Facebook ads, right? And I'm not focusing on Facebook ads now. I used to do Facebook ads, but the potential that Facebook ads has, if you are lazy, right? Sometimes in business, a lot of times you will feel lazy. If you are lazy but you are ambitious, right? Document videos, a 90-second video. TikTok, Facebook do not want you to document videos longer than 90 seconds. You won't intrigue your audience enough. People's time span are short. People just want to scroll. People are just on social media to scroll, it's not social media anymore, it's interest media. People want videos or want to watch videos based upon their interest, what they are interested in. It's interest media, it's not social media. For example, if you go on TikTok and you are searching for things, right? For example, sports, health and wellness, or actors, whatever the case might be, right? And you go off TikTok and 2 hours later you go on TikTok, people will show you videos based upon what you search for, right? Health and wellness, fitness, actors, whatever the case might be. So it's not social media anymore, it's interest media. Now I want to come back to the question of Facebook ads. If you are lazy and ambitious, document a 90-second video. This is what I used to do. I document a 90-second video or a 70, make it between 60 seconds and 90 seconds. Tell people what you are doing on that 90 seconds. Make it fast. Have a hook, right? Interest media, that's correct, yes. Right? Make it fast. Hook people's attention. Have hooks. Have a value proposition with a CTA, right? So now you're telling people on your video, for example, if you are good in teaching people physical fitness, right? If you can teach people physical fitness, maybe anything related to physical fitness, right? Now you can have, in your video, you can have the P formula, a pain point or a problem, right? People out there have a problem, right? A pain point. People buy into solutions, into transformation. So people have a problem, a pain point. Now you saying on your video, how can I now construct this video, right? Would you like to get in shape in 3 weeks time, right? Or do you feel you are unfit or unhealthy and you would like to get in shape in 3 weeks' time, exercising 30 minutes a day, and you can still eat whatever you want to, right? You just hooking people. There are multiple hooks that you get. I was just thinking fast out of the box now. There are multiple hooks. Always focus on a problem. People buy into solutions. Focus on a problem. Have a thereafter you go to number 2, value proposition. Now you're giving people solid content on what you can do, on how they can do these things, what you can show them with your expertise on how to actually get physically in shape in 3 weeks' time, right? Thereafter, you have a CTA, a call to action. If you want to learn more, reach out to me on, you can say your number. You can say, reach out to me on WhatsApp business, message me, or Facebook message me, or phone me on 081 074 9393 and I'll get back to you. Always have a CTA. If you do not have CTAs, guys, the whole process will be a disaster. Always have CTAs. You are leaving a lot of money on the table if you are not having CTAs, call to action. You need to direct people on the next steps to take. You do not want to leave your prospects hanging or on the fence, right? Where you need to get back to them and do a follow-up. You want to avoid follow-ups at times. You want to close the sale now, right? So the fastest way you can make money online, run a Facebook ad based upon their problem, what you are good at, what you can solve. Run a 10-mile radius on the demographics, right? People that stay close by to you. Run a 10-mile radius. You can set there by the demographics on Facebook promotions. A 10-mile radius, meaning people that are staying or living close to you in a 10-mile radius can now start reaching out to you. And you can meet these people, right? You can meet these people, obviously, in a safe environment. You can meet these people. You can start negotiating with them as to the prices. Actually, the prices, what I do is I negotiate with them on the phone already. This is how much I charge. This is my services. This is what I can help you with. I can build a website for you. I can build systems, automation funnels. I can build you a machine on the back end, a sales funnel where you link your account and people can pay money directly into your account. And this is how things work. You got it. Whatever you are good at, whatever, that is the fastest way you can make money based upon your services. If you can teach people accounting, mathematics, whatever, do a Facebook ad. Let people see you. Let people hear what you are saying, right? Run a Facebook ad, 10-mile radius. People, you will start generating leads. That way you will start generating leads. If you see, wow, you are generating enough leads or a lot of leads, spend more money on that ad. Double down on that ad. Spend. That's why finance channels make this most on YouTube. Yes, definitely. You got it. So if you see, wow, you are generating a lot of leads on that one video, 2 videos, and what's happening to the connectivity? Am I still live? Am I still live? Am I still live? The connection, my Wi-Fi, what's happening? Guys, so if you see you are generating a lot of leads from that, so let me first talk to you about this. If you see you getting a lot of leads or enough leads, go all in. Thank you, Shuaib. Go push more money into that ad, 100 Rand. You know that 100 Rand extra ad can convert now into more leads. And the more leads you are generating online, the more you can convert that lead into a sale. You got it. The more leads, remember, leads is the lifeblood of your business. The more leads you are generating online, the more you can start closing that leads. You got it. So now what I want to share is speaking about, now it comes to how many videos can you document, right? For Facebook, to run a Facebook ad. You can have 3 videos. You can have 4 videos. You can have 1 good video with a problem, value proposition, CTA. You can have 1 video. If that 1 video performs well, that's what I've done. If 1 video performs well, add extra money to that video. That is the fastest way you can start earning money based upon your services that you can render to someone that is struggling with something, right? With eating healthy. If you can teach people business principles, digital marketing, maybe someone wants to get started in digital or online marketing or trading, even trading or drop shipping or e-commerce or video marketing. Maybe someone just wants to become a better video marketer or a better storyteller in their videos, and you know the principles, the technique, the strategies on how to actually bring value to that market so that your target market can become a better storyteller. Do that, whatever you are knowledgeable in and knowledgeable about. Now you are teaching people based upon, you are running that ad based upon your expertise, your skill set. You got that. That is the fastest way you can actually do things. And people, guys, as I mentioned before, there are lazy people online. Some online marketers are super, super lazy. What they do is they just document a video, run Facebook ads, Facebook ad into their funnel, whoop, making sales. And people have made, guys, I've watched multiple videos of people that are just building businesses running Facebook ads. People underestimate Facebook ads. And what I like about Facebook ads is when you post a Facebook ad, when I run a Facebook ad, people on Instagram see that videos. Instagram boosts your Facebook ads as well. And people from Instagram get back to you, which is leverage, which is ultimate leverage, right? You're running a Facebook ad, people, that video runs on Instagram as well. It runs on Instagram as well. So that is leverage. People on both platforms are now seeing what you are doing. So you are getting more exposure. In case people are telling you the market is saturated. Oh, the market is saturated. People are already doing this and that. People already have this service, have this products. Amen, brother. Jesus Christ loves you. Amen. Thank you. I receive it in Jesus' name. Right, you got it. So that is something you can do. Run Facebook ads. Go out, push yourself out in the marketplace. Go all out. On which platforms? You have TikTok, you have Pinterest, you have YouTube, you have LinkedIn. Underutilized platform. You got it. That is the fastest way. Now watch this, right? You think about, for example, you running a Facebook ad, right? Now you're doing a live webinar. On top of your live webinar, you have short form pieces of content. You have medium form. You have long form pieces of content. Now you are visible enough to a broader market, to a broader audience. And over time, people will start knowing you and liking you and trusting you. People buy into trust. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. And of course, everyone can't like you. Everyone won't trust you. Everyone will not know you. Of course, people will not know you. But people buy into people they know, like, and trust. And these are the opportunities. Your smartphone, social media, AI, learning automations. If you want automations, learn from professionals, a mentor, a coach, a business person. If you want faster results, get a mentor that has already gotten the results that you want to get and you want to achieve. Get a mentor that can teach you step by step. This is what you need to do. Get inside of a community of like-minded people that can support you, edify, empower you. Yes, your mom, your dad, your brother, your siblings, your aunts, uncles, friends will not know what you are doing. Do not know what you are doing and what you want to achieve, your vision, your mission, your purpose, right? Your mentors and your community of like-minded people will be there with you on the days you feel down and out. They will be there to motivate, to encourage, to inspire, to educate, to edify, to embody you, to step up, to raise your standard, and to continually pursue your mission. Right? Let me tell you something. The business world, the online business world, you always need to be up to date with the latest trends, what's happening. You always need to watch videos, study, read books, study certain things on platforms, on the gurus. You need to learn from these people. Learn from the best people in business. Learn from Jim Rohn. Learn from Brian Tracy. Who's the gurus online? Alex and Layla Hormozi, Grant Cardone, Tonya Eliza, Jeff Bezos, Jack Ma. Right? What is that guy's name? Warren Buffett. Learn from these people on investing on money. In your household, you won't always speak about these things to your relatives, to your mom, the importance of money and financial management. Right? You won't speak in the household on financial management, save, invest, build businesses. Right? Invest in businesses, invest in multiple things. Right? Test and try multiple things, do multiple business ventures. You won't speak about these things normally to friends and things of that nature. You got that? So learn from the best in businesses. Learn from Tony Robbins. Learn from Dan Locke. Learn from all these online entrepreneurs. Get these mentors. You do not need to have mentors that you are meeting personally. Get virtual mentors. People that you can see, you know what, these people have the knowledge, the intuition that you would love to learn from these people and grasp and absorb their knowledge, right? Wow, turn your smartphone into a university of learning, right? People do a lot of dumb stuff on this smartphone. You can utilize your smartphone to your advantage. For example, download PDF books. PDF books is free, 93. Download PDF books. Right now you have your books on your phone. Thereafter, you download videos on YouTube, or you download from a site where you can download educational videos and listen to these videos. Right? Wherever you are, when you go to the park, when you go out, wherever, you can have earphones, listen to these educational videos. Turn your car into an educational university, technical college in one. Turn your car into that, right? A university of learning, of knowledge, of wisdom. So now you have your PDF books. Now you have videos, right? Another step, get a library card. A library card is, how much is a library card? Free. A library card is free. Get a library card. Take out one book a month, or take out 2 books a month and start reading those books as well. Anything to improve your personal development. When you develop yourself and you grow and you change and you get stronger, wiser, educated, brilliant, all those things will allow you now to go out into the marketplace with your competency and your skill sets, and you use those things outside for people. Right? It's not just about adding value here to people. Whenever I get people that were with me on high school, I add value to them. I tell people, you know what? I do not ask people, where do you work? That people already know where to work and how to apply. I do not talk to people about jobs. Where do you work? I don't talk at all to them. That's just going to limit them in their mindset. I speak to people about, do you know where's the opportunities now? The opportunities are on your smartphone. There's multiple things that you can do on your smartphone. You can build multiple passive streams of income and businesses, and you can do multiple things on your smartphone. Speak to people. People at times are tired of jobs. People don't want to hear jobs. What if you speak to your friend or people that you know about jobs? People will think, jobs. People try to avoid jobs. People want to do fun things. Right? You have to educate people, bring value to people offline as well, not just online. Whenever I meet people, sometimes I see people on the streets collecting cans or collecting bottles and picking up bottles, and I speak to them. Right? I speak to them, I see how I can add value to them. Although they have a small business, as you cannot underestimate the power of a small business. Right? You cannot underestimate. Add value to people that were with you in high school. Whenever I get the smart people that were in my class on high school, they will tell me, Joshua, you're right. You must do your own things. Of course, this is South Africa. You must do your own things. Don't just listen to family members and friends and aunties and uncles of just working at a job. Just a job. I'm not against a job, but there are other alternative things that you can do as well. There's your smartphone. You have AI, you have automations. Turn your smartphone into an educational system for life. Business is an ongoing learning process. You will always have to learn. Do not be naive like me. When I graduated from winemaking and when I studied business management and I used to get distinctions in accounting and sales, and I thought, you know what, I am fairly intelligent. No, no, that was the wrong mindset I have. Business, guys, learn from the best people in the world in business. That is what I can tell you. Learn from your Warren Buffetts how to invest, how money works. Learn from those people. I'm telling you, the times is confusing now. The world times, it's crazy, it's confusing. Believe me, you can't figure out these things on your own. You need wisdom. You need to learn King Solomon's business model, where he went to God and asked him for the wisdom and the knowledge on how to build businesses. And in his time, King Solomon, if you're going into the Bible, was a trillionaire. When he closed a prospect, that prospect will give him hundreds of millions of dollars, paying him in gold and silver and whichever methodologies there was on how you can actually pay someone in King Solomon's time. So learn from their business models and principles. Learn from Albert Einstein, Jack Ma. Learn from people in history that has done great things. Read people's autobiographies, their philosophies. Read these things. You're going to get ideas. We must learn from decades ago. Definitely. We must learn from older people. Learn from these older people, guys, that was 70 years old, 80 years old. What is that guy's name I'm learning from? Charlie Munger. I'm not sure if he's still alive. I think he's 99 years old today. Guys, that guy is a multi, I think billionaire or millionaire. Learn from Charlie Munger. Learn from Brian Tracy. Charlie Munger will teach you how to invest. Charlie Munger had a friend, right, that invested $40 million into a venture. He lost that 40 million just like that. In overnight, he lost that 40 million. He was broke. Charlie Munger, yes. Charlie Munger's friend found him to tell Charlie Munger this, what he have done. He invested $40 million into a project. All the money gone overnight. Learn from these people's experiences. Learn from your own business experiences. Learn from these things. Right? When I used to be in pubs and drinking and partying with friends, we never used to speak about these things. We all just knew about jobs and studying, right? And our mindset was focused on women. Our mindset was focused on women as young men, right? Women, thinking of women, partying and clubbing and going to braais and these things. No one spoke to me at parties and clubs and braais about passive income, online business, building multiple streams of income. You save, invest, build businesses. No, we all were just talking about studying and working. Oh, whenever you meet people, oh, you're just working here. Where do you work? Oh, you work here, you work there. Oh, you just we are conditioned like that. You see, we are programmed, we are brainwashed just to think narrow-minded. You got that? We are programmed that way. Then you guys have small mindset. Yeah, we had small mindset. When I used to study and work, our mindsets were like this. We never knew. That is why our lecturer told me in business, he used to give us a sales lesson. He told us the world is your oyster. The world is your oyster. I'm busy. I'm done reading Robin Sharma's book, The Wealth Money Con. What is that book? Uh, the Wealth Money Con. But I'm busy with Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich. Whew, powerful book. I used to read it prior. Think and Grow Rich. That is how the belief system. You must believe. If you do not believe in what you are doing, you have already lost. You will lose. Remember, doubt and procrastination will try to overpower you. When doubt and procrastination and fear and delay can overpower your mind, whew, guys, when doubt and fear and procrastination overpowers your mind, you will lose. You are used that as my enemy. You will lose. Doubt. And if you don't believe what you are doing out there in reality, you will lose. Believe me. You will seriously lose. You have to force yourself at times to do the things. You have to force yourself to do these things. It's not always easy. You will get distracted. There are multiple distractions. But guys, I will love and leave you. And thank you for all your comments. Thank you for all your likes. I appreciate it. I hope you got a ton of value from the session. Seriously, I hope you got a ton of value. I will be live again at 12 p.m. Josh was sleeping. Okay. I will be live at again, so let me see what time will I be live. I will be live at um 10 a.m. Round about 10 a.m. or quarter past 10, I will be live once again. You got it. So thank you for all your likes on YouTube and TikTok and comments. I appreciate it. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. I'll see you soon. If you want me to take this conversation further, watch my YouTube videos. Watch my Facebook videos. Let's get more in. Let's get more minds in. Yes, let's get more minds in. Let's discuss these things. Let's discuss these things of AI, automation, businesses, finances, branding, all these things that are available to us, the wisdom, the knowledge on how we can impact the world if you want to, or impact people's lives in your suburb or your city or wherever you are. You got it. So thank you for watching. Much appreciated. Have a blessed day. See you soon. Bye bye for now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you.